this is glasswork. We have 270-degree panoramic views, and this architectural design is quite unique, I must say. Let's start with our units themselves. But before we go to their units, let me show you. Happy Monday, guys. Today is when is today? I can't remember. 15th. Today is the 15th of June, and welcome to another week, another episode of the project update. So today I'm going to be taking you through the model and then showing you the progress on the site. You can hear it's quiet, the workers have not started working yet. So let me show you this. This is a model for Galaxy One. It has been placed exactly as the site is. Now we are on Rafter Road, the greener side of Westlands, right? Now you can see a lot of this is glasswork. We have 270-degree panoramic views, and this architectural design is quite unique, I must say. Let's start with our units themselves. But before we go to their units, let me show you. This is Rafter Road. Then we have entrance for parking. So we have basement 1 and basement 2 for parking, and then our ground floor is 6 meters high, as I have been showing you. So we've divided ground floor as well to have another 2-level parking, so essentially 4 levels of parking. And then we have our entrance over there using Cardo Biometrics. That is extra measures in terms of security. So our ground floor will be 6 meters high. We'll have a grand reception area, and our laundromat will also be on the ground floor. Then we have a mezzanine floor, which is also 6 meters high, where we have quite a number of amenities, which I'll show you. And then we have our units starting from 1st floor all the way to 19th floor. Now, something unique about Galaxy One, our floor to ceiling height is 3.15. In Nairobi, we currently have 2.7 meters, 2.8 meters, but at Galaxy One, we're doing 3.15 meters. There are people who love a good high ceiling heights, so we're giving you that at Galaxy One. Now, these are views of Kilimani Kileleshwa. These units facing this way. We have our 3-bedroom unit with 270-degree panoramic views, 142 square meters. Then we have our 2-bedroom units, 90 square meters, with also the panoramic view. Now these are currently sold out. Actually, all our 2-bedroom units are currently sold out. Okay, so I had to go and shut that calculator singing. Now, the balcony for the 2-bedroom is on this side. Now these units are units that get the sunset. They are units that face that side, Loresho ABC, and I will show you. Now, adjacent to the balcony for the 2-bedroom, we have a 1-bedroom unit, 57 square meters, and then another 1-bedroom unit, 57 square meters. Amazing units. And then we have this balcony, which is for this 2-bedroom unit, 82 square meters. Now currently all our 2-bedroom units are sold out, but these are also amazing double views again. Then we have another 1-bedroom unit over there, 57 square meters. Its balcony is slightly hidden, but it does have views, 57 square meters. Then we have a bigger 1-bedroom over here, 59 square meters with a carve. Then this becomes the balcony for this 3-bedroom. Now what is on this side is also what is on the other side. So these are our 3-bedroom units, 142 square meters, another 2-bedroom unit, 90 square meters, whose balcony is on this side. And then now all these units are facing GTC, they're facing Westlands, they're facing Nairobi town. Now we have 1-bedroom unit, 57 square meters, another 1-bedroom unit, 57 square meters, and then we have this 2-bedroom unit. Its balcony is here, 82 square meters. We have this 1-bedroom, 57 square meters. Its balcony is slightly hidden. Then we have a bigger 1-bedroom with a curve, 59 square meters. Then this becomes the balcony again for this 3-bedroom unit. Now our floor, we have 14 units. we have 8 1-bedrooms, 4 2-bedrooms, and 2 3-bedrooms. Now let's go to our amenities, which is also something that is selling Galaxy One. Our amenity, we have so many amenities. Now let me show you. Starting with the rooftop infinity pool that is heated, and we'll have a yoga deck right there. Let's put this on again. So we have the rooftop infinity pool that is heated with a yoga deck right there. Then we will have a fully equipped gym, and you can see these are views all around. No obstructional views in the gym. These are amazing views over at the gym. And then on the same floor, on the rooftop, we will have a sky club, 1093 square meter sky club, where we will have our rooftop restaurant. And then on this other side, we have an outside garden area, courtyard, beautiful barbecue area. Now let's go to the mezzanine floor. Of course, you have that outside garden area, really beautiful. Then on the inside, I actually showed you them casting the garden area last week. So we have a golf simulator, basically twice the size of this room. We'll have a conference room right over here. We'll have a kids play area right over here. Then on the front side, we'll have a movie theater. Then we'll have a spa and sauna. Then we'll have a library area. And then on this other side, going back, we'll have a management office. So this is the model for Galaxy One. Now let's look at the site. So they are currently having a brief meeting, but let's look at this side. So this is currently the mezzanine floor. You can see it's a beautiful Monday morning. So this is the mezzanine floor. They're almost done with this section, and then I believe they'll start doing the casting for this other side, so that we can be at par with this other side. As I said, they're having a brief meeting. So yes, I'm foreseeing some major updates this week. Now let me go to the rooftop and show you the views of Westlands, and show you exactly the views that you'll be seeing when you buy units here. Now, as I said, our 2-bedroom units are all sold out, but we do have 1-bedroom units and 3-bedroom units available. Our 1-bedroom units start at 7.1 million. Our 3-bedroom units start at 19 million, but there is a discount, of course. So let me show you the views of the rooftop. Alright guys, you can see the sun on my face. It's currently 8 a.m. in Nairobi. Now I'm here to show you views of Westlands, Rafter Road to be exact. I know I'm against the light, so you can't really see me. Now this is Rafter Road. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So the site is there. This is Rafter Road. Amazing, right? You have views all around, but let's start with views of Rafter Road. So we have 2 and 3-bedroom units on that corner and on this corner with a carve. So our 3-bedroom units have views of Kilimani, Kileleshwa, and town, GTC Nairobi. You can even see Mombasa Road on this side. Our 2-bedroom units have the same view, Kilimani, Kileleshwa, and views of Loresho, ABC. Then we have our other units, 2 and 3-bedroom units, 3-bedroom units facing Wayaki Way and Loresho, ABC. Then our 2-bedroom units have views of Wayaki Way and Westlands, GTC. Now remember, our first floor ends where this is. So our second floor is above our building, and we're going up 19 floors. So we are totally going to be higher than this particular building, higher than that particular building. And our 1-bedroom units and the 2-bedroom units I showed you in the middle, we have 1-bedroom units on that level facing that side, and then we have other units facing this side. Now let me show you the units facing this side, which is block B. Block B, they have an amazing view. Listen, I always say, if I had money, I would buy 1, 2, and 3 bedroom units, buy an entire floor, and have a sort of a penthouse. There's actually one person who's done that. Now, this is the other side of Westlands. This is really beautiful. You can see the weather. It's 8 a.m. and the sun is out. It's a bit chilly, but the sun makes it a bit warm. So these are the views that the 1 bedrooms on block B have. And I think currently we are almost sold out. I think there are only 3 remaining with this view. Look at that, guys. Look at that. I can see Upper Hill from here because you can see that prism looking building. It's in Upper Hill. I can see GTC, JW Marriott over there. So these are amazing views, and this is Westlands. So yeah, guys, there's been talks of Westlands being saturated in the near future. This is what I say. Hey, as long as there is demand, then we have to supply, right? And the demand is there. So this is the time to buy real estate in Nairobi, guys. This is the time when the prices are quite fair and you get to buy them off plan. So you get to put in a deposit and put in installments and finish up the payment when the building is being handed over. So these are the views of Westlands, and you can never go wrong with Westlands, guys. You can never go wrong with Westlands. Westlands is the most common city in Kenya. It's the most common town in Nairobi. Westlands is cosmopolitan. Westlands has the major malls. We're talking about Westgate. We're talking about Sarit Center. Westgate. We're talking about GTC. We're talking about major hotels. We have the expressway right over there. I don't know if you can see some cars on a particular road up there. That is the expressway. In 10 minutes you're at the airport. And Westlands is very central, so it's also very accessible. If you want to go to some greenery, if you want to experience some greenery, there is Gigiri, there's a Karura Forest. If you want to go to some beautiful restaurants, not in Westlands but luxury hotels and restaurants in Lavington, for example, in Kileleshwa, in Kilimani, quite accessible. So Westlands, you can never go wrong with Westlands when it comes to investing in real estate. So yeah, guys, buy a unit in Westlands, buy a unit at Galaxy One. And if you are thinking about buying off plan, buying in Westlands, Galaxy One is it. Given our unique architectural design, the amount of amenities we have, our location, we are quite accessible. If you want to go to Sarit Center, is on that side. There's this road that gives you access to the other side of Westlands, and this is the greener side of Westlands, guys. And you can have your morning walks on this road, Rafter Road. You can enjoy some greenery in Westlands. You know, it's quiet and you have amazing views, especially at night, right? So this is a time to buy. We have quite a number of units remaining. Our 2-bedroom units are sold out, guys. So if you're thinking of buying a 1-bedroom or a 3-bedroom unit at Galaxy One, please reach out to me on my Instagram or leave a comment, and I will be sure to respond to you and help you through the process of securing a unit here at Galaxy One. So that is it for now. For the next video, I will be showing you the layouts for each of the units. And yeah, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and see you on the next one.